In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order animations in Canva. We'll walk through this right inside the Canva editor, so go ahead and open the design you want to work on. Once your design is open, make sure you're on the page that contains the animated elements you want to adjust. This could be text, graphics, or other elements that already have animation applied. Next, click on one of those animated elements on your canvas. As soon as you select it, a floating toolbar will appear nearby. This is the contextual menu that changes depending on what you've selected. On that toolbar, look for the icon that opens more options. It's usually represented by 3 dots. Click that, and from the drop-down menu, choose Show Element Timing. The moment you select Show Element Timing, a timeline will appear at the bottom of your screen, just above your page cards or page thumbnails. This timeline is where you can see exactly when your selected element appears and disappears during the animation, as well as how long it stays visible. On the timeline, you'll see a bar that represents the animation for the element you selected. To adjust how long that animation lasts, simply click and drag either end of that bar. Dragging the edge to the right will make the animation last longer, and dragging it to the left will make it shorter. As you do this, pay attention to the timing markers along the timeline so you can be precise, especially if you're syncing animations to music or voiceover. Once you're happy with the timing of that first element, click on another animated element on your canvas. As soon as you select it, it will also appear on the same timeline, usually as a new bar. Now you can see both animations together, which makes it much easier to order them and control how they overlap. Again, adjust the second element's bar by dragging its sides to change its duration. You can also drag the entire bar left or right along the timeline to control when it starts. This lets you decide whether elements animate one after another at the same time or with a small delay in between. Continue selecting other animated elements and adjusting their timing on the same timeline until the sequence feels smooth and intentional. When you're done, play back your design to preview the final animation order and make any final tweaks if needed.